Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 18-foot by 48-inch round-framed swimming pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. This pool the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Pool is made with heavy-duty PVCs with 3-ply tritech walls and wall support band for increased rigidity and strength. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Supported by strong, durable steel frames, which are powder-coated for rust resistance and beauty. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits. No tools are required to install. A durable, lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. The package includes 1,500 gallons filter pump, ladders, covers, and ground cloth. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.